Let's take a look at number 6 on page 262. Okay, it says an airplane passenger carries a 215 Newton suitcase up the stairs, a displacement of 4.2 meters vertically and 4.6 meters horizontally. Okay, so the stairs go like this, right? Now, they said that this distance is 4.6 meters. Yep, 4.6 meters. And they said this distance from top to bottom is 4.2 meters, and the suitcase has a weight of 215 newtons, right? If it's already a weight, we don't have to multiply it by gravity, and we're supposed to calculate work. Well, remember, work is equal to force times the distance times the cosine of the angle between them. Okay, and so when you lift this 215 Newton suitcase 4.2 meters up, that is, we have 215 times 4.2 times the cosine of 0 degrees. Whoops, 0 degrees. The cosine of 0 is 1, so that doesn't change anything. It's just 215 times 4.2 and you get your work. Okay. Now, the second part says this horizontal part. Okay, what about that? Well, then I would have force, 215 newtons, times that distance, 4.6 meters. But then I'd have to multiply that by the cosine of 90, okay? Because the force is still up the stairs, but the motion is forwards, and the cosine of 90 is 0, okay? And so that's not work at all. And so it's important to remember, basically, only the part of force that's in the same direction as the motion does any work. And if any part of your force is not in that direction, it's not doing work. And in the very special case where it's at a perfectly right angle, no work is done, right? Lifting a book is work. Holding a book is not work. Carrying a book forward is not work because the force and motion are at right angles to each other. Okay, the second part of that problem says, what about coming back down? Well, you can do that too. Coming back down, work is F times delta X times the cosine of the angle between them. Okay, well, the force is still 215 newtons up. The distance, you're still covering 4.2 meters, but it's negative now. So you can either say that the cosine of the angle between them is 180, or you can recognize that the force and motion are in opposite directions. But either way, you're going to end up with negative work. Okay, so on number 6, going up the stairs is positive work, going down the stairs is negative work, but you don't have to include the 4.6 meters in either direction because it's right at right angles to the work, to the force. Okay, there was also a weird issue on number 8. If you pushed that bicycle with only 25 newtons of force up a 25-degree incline, it's going to accelerate down the incline the whole time. And I worked out the math, but you can get the right answers on that. They don't make any sense. I didn't write the problem. All right, good luck.